Okay, after telling me the right indicator to quit working, I hit this right here, and now the one orange light is on. Welcome back, channel, to a new episode from On Down the Road Productions. Terry here. Got caught in the rain with the Rocket. I guess maybe I should have filmed some of that. I was in road mode. She got dirty again. I've never seen this bike so rained on in my life, especially this year, from being hit with 4 or 5 days of straight rain, maybe 6 for Daytona Bike Week, going there and back. This thing has been sopped with road rain, and now she's dirty again. You can see right back here. But hey man, we're good with that. So one thing I'm going to do is put my Revit. I didn't wear my Revit jacket coming in because, you know, I got caught by the rain, i.e. coming in. I don't know if I've told you guys this in previous videos. This is like a, I don't know, $500 or $600 jacket at Revzilla. Here you go, right here at this Revit. And this is a 2X. I got it for like $159, brand new from Revzilla. It was used in one of their videos. This is how you buy from Revzilla. If they use a jacket or something in a video, buy that. The helmet I have on is the same thing. It was used in their video for the Scorpion helmet at that time. Top tip to save some money, and this jacket's been like new the whole time. The one time I dropped the Rocket, when I opened the throttle accidentally, this jacket totally protected me. This shoulder had dug into the ground. It's fully padded, and it's even protects way down low. I love this jacket. It's got all sorts of reflective material on it. On the hottest days it works. Another video, Bear Creek or Bear Lake campground in northern Michigan. I pulled up to the gate with this jacket on. It must have been 98 degrees. So the guy looks at me and says, "Aren't you hot in that jacket?" I'm like, "No, it's a mesh jacket." Maybe if you stop on a super hot day, you'll feel the heat because of the black. Once you start moving, all this mesh here, right? So I am going to get on the jacket, put my Rocket in rain mode. You can see here she's pretty wet. I'll just let it go. I'll wash it later today or tomorrow. We're going to go up Orion Road, which is pretty curvy and twisty. I'll just do another rain demo video with the Rocket3GT. And you can see back here things are pretty dirty from riding in the rain. And all my cool decals from St. Augustine and Daytona Beach from the 2024 Bike Week are all dirty. Like all things in life, you got to use your bikes and they're washable. Here we go. So give me a second, folks, and I'll get the jacket on and we'll keep moving. Yes. Okay, let me get the phone in. So this is the phone holder I bought in emergency when my RAM mount kind of failed on me. This one's been working out okay. It was only like 12 bucks on Amazon. So far so good. And here we go. I always worry about these getting wet, but they're so cheap nowadays. I just rubber band the extra length together and push it in here for you Rocket owners out there. And of course, you don't leave it to me to put this in upside down. So this is a Lamicall phone holder on Amazon, and it's pretty good. I think it works better than the Ram. The Ram had this black rubber band thing around 4 corners that was kind of annoying. There you go. And oh, there's Piper. And what I do here, she's the franchise. Get into here. I always run turning on my Bluetooth right now, and I always like to run Waze. It's a nice distraction. And here, I think you guys might know this from watching the channel over the years. I always create a new playlist every year. So here's some of that playlist, and I'm just going to hit play. And I'm listening to Fortune Hunter. Here's my 2024 MOTO playlist, okay? Pretty simple stuff. Go back to, alright, there's Waze. You can tell the lake's over here, I think. I'm in downtown Orion, and I just ate at Johnny Black's. Okay, let me get my jacket on.
Whoa, whoa. Baby steps, please.
Yeah, what's your name?
Rick.
Hey, we're on YouTube with our channel. Yeah, thanks for your nice compliments.
Yeah, I'm hoping to get into a Triumph as my next.
Yeah, you gonna do a Rocket?
Probably not a Rocket.
Okay.
They are nice.
Well, I'll tell you what. Go to Triumph Detroit on Van Dyke and ask for JB.
JB?
He owns it, and you can tell him we sent you.
Sounds good.
Might get you a price break. Okay? All right, have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
All right.
Ride safe.
Yep. Okay. Working the jacket still. This is just such a good jacket. All right, let me zip this thing up. We got some traffic going by. All right, and so the big thing I got to do when I get on the bike is put this shit in rain mode. I have a video from a couple years ago on the Gulf Coast of Florida where I rode in rain. Of course, the tires were a lot better back then. So this bike does need new tires, front and rear. It's getting really super close. There's still some life left in them. Price shopping the tires, to be honest with you guys. So you can kind of see here on our Rocket right here that it's close. There's only a little ridge here. So by the end of the summer, I'll get new tires front and rear. And remember, we've got a Goldwing that's a lot newer than this bike in condition. All right. So I get to get a wet butt, throw my foot up here. And this is a rain mode day. So yeah, back in the Gulf Coast of Florida, I had a really fun ride in the rain. We're 17 miles away from 15,000 miles too. So in a way, this can be the 15,000 mile video for the Rocket. So here it's in road. And let me go to rain. Okay, it's in rain mode right here. See right here it says rain. I just need to be, I got my jams going. All right, turned on my headset. And so this is the Rocket, and hopefully I can get the 15,000 mile turnover on this video. Lake Orion PD. So I am gonna take it easy. Nothing crazy because of the tires. The tires are still good, but they've been on the bike 4 years. I've owned the bike since January of 2020. I took delivery in January of 2020 and in rain mode. Oh boy, so I'm just gonna be chilling like a villain.
I don't know what your idea of a good time is, but this ain't it.
All right, here we go. Let me throw it neutral real quick. Get my visor down. All right, let's go. Rain mode on a Rocket3 GT.
Yes!
Yeah, it was raining pretty good when I was in the Johnny Black's eating. So far, I think I'm okay. What you want to do when you rain ride is slow your shit down, slow your ride down a bit, be gentle through turns. A motorcycle has 80% of the traction of a car in wet weather. If you guys have recommendations for tires for the Rocket3 GT, what I should purchase, my immediate thought is to get the exact same Avons the bike came with. Or, you know, I could just sell the bike this summer too, let the new owner deal with tires, but I think I'm going to keep it right now. I felt like selling it over the last couple weeks. So when I did the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride last weekend, the lights came on again on the dashboard, but I think it was a low battery in the key fob, so I changed the key fob last night. Why am I riding my Rocket3 GT right now? The reason is I've got the Goldwing set up in the garage for some accessory installations, and I'm making videos around that, so I just left the Goldwing alone this morning. I've been dying to bust it out with the Goldwing on wet roads. I never ride afraid, but I ride very selfishly. I ride tactically and strategically. Something good about the Rocket in rain mode is third gear, I'm at like 43 miles an hour. I can just, you know, rocket like this. I think the speed limit is probably 40. I'm at 40. Okay. Back when I did this rain mode video in Florida a couple years ago in the Panhandle, total fun with the rain. Didn't have my jacket on or anything. It was hot and the rain cooled everything off, and I'll put that video in this video somewhere, so you guys, if you want to check it out, I think it's a good video. It's a great demo back when this bike was a bit newer, of a Triumph Rocket3 GT in the rain. Just took it easy here, don't want to slide across the pavement in this turn, and the speed limit's 45, and I don't think I'll have an issue hitting 45, but I am gonna, like I said, gently take it through curves. So does anyone out there do what we do? Make a new playlist every year for the riding season? It's just something fun to do before riding season starts. Obviously my playlist is heavy with Red Light King and the record company. Both these bands deserve to be huge right now. Not just because they work so hard, but their music is that good. See, I'm just gonna baby it through here. I don't care what anyone thinks around me. All right, open it up. So I dropped about 4 or 5 miles an hour there. Okay, so what I'm happy about right now, it was raining while I was eating. What I'm happy about now is that I'm doing 50 now, right? No problem. What I'm happy about now is that the rain's not coming down. Here's another turn I'm just gonna chill on because, you know, the rubber's down on my tires. I think JB at Triumph Detroit had said to me, you know, Terry, you need new tires after 4 years, and I agree with him. I guess one thing I do in rain riding, especially in Michigan, is I watch how I lean into the turn, because if you're putting your butt into it, preloading the turn on wet roads, you're probably going to spin out. I've always thought though that for any motorcycle, if you're buying new tires, buy the tires that have the best rain traction that you can get. I'm probably limited in what's offered for the Rocket3 GT. $14,996 miles, 4 miles to go to 15,000. Boom, people, let's go. Got dry pavement. You can see the rain clouds up there that we rode through. Okay, I'm gonna ride this to 15,000 miles. Oh, can you believe it? 15,000 miles on our Rocket. Hey, so you know what? Super criticized by one subscriber. I kicked him off our channel. He claimed to have 75,000 miles on a 21 or 22 Rocket3 GT. I'm like, how do you do that? Living in Missouri, put 75,000 miles on your bike in 2 years. And I figured it was a troll, but I just, you know, said send me a picture of your odometer. When they wouldn't do that, I dumped them from the channel. I hated to do that, but you know, if you're gonna come in and say you've got this many miles on your bike, show us your odometer. Maybe you do, but you know, the response was, "Why do you want to see my odometer?" So that's when I booted the punk. Okay, we're at 14,999 miles, waiting for the flip to 15,000 miles. And it is coming soon, folks. What a ride. We started our channel with this Rocket3 GT. One of the only channels that was friendly to us when we started was Megan Captain. And when I bought our Honda Goldwing, our 2018, I never realized that she was the model they used for the GL 1800 new gen Goldwing release. So here we are. Megan, thank you. You're the classiest female OG on YouTube, and we respect you here and love your content when it comes out. You do a great job. Maybe one day our paths will cross if I ever get lucky enough to ride British Columbia, but who knows. But we have her channel linked on our platform on YouTube. So guys, check out Megan Captain as we get closer and closer to 15,000 miles on a Rocket3 GT over the course of let me think here, for February, March, April, May, 4 years and 4 months of ownership. And we've used this bike for motorcycle camping. We've taken it to Florida on numerous occasions. We've taken it on long journeys in Michigan on numerous occasions. We've rolled it through Ohio once or twice. And here we go, 15,000. All right, 15,000 on the nose. Woohoo! Well, that was it. After over 4 years of bullshit with no start issues in TFT, this bike's never run better. It feels like $1 million right now. Rocket3 GTs come alive in cool weather. And again, people, we will do our spark plugs soon. I think that'll bring the bike back to normal mode too and make it run even better. As it says here, my right front indicator's not working. This is the stuff that happened during Daytona Bike Week. These two orange lights are on. I put a new battery in my fob last night. I'm not out of the woods at all with this bike. I just spent close to $200 at Triumph to make this stuff go away, so I guess it's got to go back. Okay, after telling me the right indicator quit working, I hit this right here, and now the one orange light is on, and I doubt that it's the key fob at all. So you know, Triumph Motorcycles, F you to hell. After 4 years, just F you. Here's proof the right indicator is out. You can see how rapidly that's flashing. I'll stop it and try it again. This is just ridiculous. Just freaking ridiculous. And this all started happening at 15,001 miles. Damn it. You know, I'm angry, right? And I've said this about new vehicle purchases and motorcycle purchases. Your dealer, after you buy your new motorcycle or vehicle, car, truck, can 98% of the time they will ruin your ownership experience. When you're buying stuff from them, especially if they've packed your financing with a bunch of stuff or overpriced stuff on you and they payment shopped you, oh, they're going to treat you so nice. But let me tell you, when you go back for service, you're just a piece of shit when you walk through the door.
You know what your idea of a good time is, but this ain't it.
Just got home, and the bike now has 15,004 miles on it, and like a Christmas gift from hell, right turn signal goes out like it did in Daytona. The back ones did in Daytona. Those orange lights are back on here on the bike. Son of a bitch.